So let's get this thing, some pep to this thing. Where's my curd? That should be juice. Juice ain't long enough. How's that always happen? I got one more pin and I got one more filter, so it's a rainy day. Gotta have no juice on the other end. The trigger ain't feeling right. There it goes. Oh yeah, that's that. Oh yeah. That definitely made a big difference. Yeah, it sucked that filter right in with my thumb. Beautiful. So that did it. That was the trick. I guess it between that goop that was in there and on that red gasket, that wasn't helping it seal or seat just right to allow the suction, and guess that was it. That's the reason why it pretty much it wasn't nothing really the matter with it. It just needed a kind of a good cleaning. And again, I put the dielectric kind of back in there, or just some type of lube or something, just to help protect it, I'm hoping. Even if it does happen where I got to clean it again, at least it'll stop it from burning, especially that rubber piece or whatever, because once that's burnt and crispy, then it won't seat at all. And it'll be time for probably have to get the whole setup. I don't know if you'll be able to find just the rubber or not, or be able to improvise it. So again, these screws are going into plastic, so you ain't got to kill them tight. Just get them tight. You got to kill the things. You ain't gonna win a contest for having them the tightest. Check the back one. So, gotta say, I'm very happy with that. Glad that's all it was. It just seemed to be minor, little calibration cleanup time. So, beautiful. Again, guys, thank you very much for stopping by, checking it out. If I get this thing blasted apart here and it can actually make sense of it and it's not a total disaster, I'll try to open it up and show you. Hopefully we'll find out where it's shorted or whatever. And what went wrong. It was short. I had, what was it, 2 ohms? Yeah, pretty much just about very close to a dead short. So, thanks, guys. If you like, give me a thumbs up. If not, let me know why. Because I definitely appreciate the criticism, because I don't take any offense to it. I'm freaking, want to say I'm a grown man. I can handle it. I want to learn from it. I want to make it so we can all enjoy doing this together, you know? So, thanks, guys, for giving me some of your time, and gals, too. And, guys, have a great day. Thanks so much, guys. And gals.